So I'm just chilling out here in the garage with my new purchase. There she is. I'm just kidding. That's my actual car. Sake. It's the dream. This is the dream, isn't it? What do you think, Reg?
It's good, mate.
Yeah.
Very much enjoying the sunshine.
Absolutely stunning. So, how do I turn this around? So, God, I almost can't see it. It's unbelievable. So, we're at the business show today at London XL, schmoozing around and seeing what's what, seeing potential funding partners, and just getting the sort of general lay of the land, I suppose. Yeah, but this comes a couple of days after we have just done a deal with BP, which is absolutely insane. So you can actually now find Overhang. In fact, I keep rubbing my eyes because it's like 7 in the morning or half 7 or whatever it is. Yeah, so you can find Overhang now available in 300 stores nationwide in M&S BP. So that's when you go into the petrol forecourts and you look for the M&S sign. There are different ones. You can get like a Budgeons BP and a Spa BP and all that, so you have to look for the M&S one with the nice selection of food and all that kind of stuff, and you can find us in the drinks chiller there, which is pretty mental. Check it out.